Imagine believing you're doing everything right for your body, only to discover a shocking truth that changes everything you thought you knew about health and nutrition. For years, I started my mornings the same way, boiling 2 eggs, confident I was fueling my body with the king of protein. After all, this was the common wisdom, a nutritional staple we'd been told was essential for decades. Yet a routine doctor's visit brought a startling revelation. When asked about my protein intake for muscle maintenance, my casual reply about daily eggs was met with a gentle but firm shake of the head. It was then that I learned a truth that completely reshaped my understanding of protein. Eggs, while good, only offer around 13 grams of protein per 100 grams, a decent amount but far from optimal. The truly astonishing part, there are incredible foods readily available that provide 4 to 5 times that amount. Yet tragically, very few people, especially those over 60, are aware of their existence. This silent epidemic of insufficient protein intake is a major contributor to age-related muscle loss, leading to slower movements, weakened legs, and an increased risk of debilitating falls. Today, we're diving deep into the top 10 foods that far surpass eggs in protein content. We'll rank them from number 10 all the way to a revolutionary food scientists are actively studying for its potential to help stroke survivors regain lost muscle. Every powerful claim shared here is firmly supported by extensive published research, ensuring you receive only the most reliable and impactful information. Before we unveil these game-changing foods, please take a moment to share in the comments where you're watching from and how your energy levels have been lately. Your insights are invaluable, and we truly appreciate hearing from each one of you. Our protein-packed journey begins with a food many overlook, Greek yogurt, specifically the non-fat strained variety. You might know it's healthy, but few older adults realize its immense muscle-supporting protein. Delivering 10.3 grams of protein per 100 grams, it almost doubles a boiled egg's 6.3 grams, offering superior protein without extra fat. Its uniqueness comes from being filtered 3 times, removing whey and lactose, leaving a thick, creamy, protein-rich yogurt that's also gentle on digestion. A 2020 study published in Nutrients found that seniors consuming at least 20 grams of dairy-based protein daily, especially with regular walking, preserved 25% more muscle mass over 12 weeks. This offers measurable protection against age-related muscle loss. Greek yogurt is easy to incorporate and well tolerated, even with mild lactose sensitivity. Always choose the plain, non-fat option, avoiding sugary varieties. Boost benefits by adding ground flax seeds, fresh berries, or blending it into smoothies, savory dips, or dressings. Get ready, because our next protein heavyweight is likely sitting untouched in your kitchen. Our next contender, often found quietly in your kitchen pantry, is the humble cooked chickpea, coming in at number 9. These versatile legumes provide approximately 11.2 grams of protein per 100 grams, subtly surpassing eggs in their ability to support aging muscles. However, chickpeas offer much more than just protein. They are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, a nutrient completely absent in eggs. This essential fiber is critical for maintaining healthy digestion, effectively regulating blood sugar levels, and significantly reducing chronic inflammation. These factors collectively play a pivotal role in preserving muscle mass as we age. Indeed, compelling research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that older adults who incorporated plant-based protein sources like legumes into their diets, replacing some animal protein, experienced up to 26% less muscle loss over time. This remarkable outcome is attributed to reduced inflammation and a healthier gut microbiome, both natural benefits of consuming legumes. Furthermore, chickpeas are a valuable source of magnesium, a vital mineral indispensable for proper muscle contraction and accelerated recovery. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to weakened, tightened, and easily fatigued muscles. To maximize their nutritional advantages, it's advisable to soak chickpeas overnight before cooking. This simple step softens them, enhances their digestibility, and boosts the absorption of their rich nutrients. Once cooked, the culinary possibilities are extensive. Transform them into creamy hummus with a touch of olive oil and lemon. Roast them for a satisfying, crunchy snack. or integrate them into hearty stews and flavorful curries. Next, we delve into an even smaller, yet surprisingly potent protein powerhouse that many people tend to overlook. Number 8 on our list is cooked quinoa, a surprisingly potent protein source often overlooked. Once prepared, quinoa delivers around 14 grams of complete protein per 100 grams. This is significant because, unlike most plant-based foods, quinoa naturally contains all 9 essential amino acids, meaning your muscles can readily use its protein for rebuilding, recovery, and strengthening. A key advantage for older adults is quinoa's high lysine content, an amino acid crucial for muscle repair, calcium absorption, and collagen production. A 2022 study published in Nutrients showed that seniors adding quinoa to meals gained a 9% boost in leg strength within 8 weeks compared to a white rice group. To enhance its benefits, soak quinoa overnight. This lowers saponins, improving nutrient absorption. Cook it with bone broth or low-sodium vegetable stock for extra minerals, and add turmeric and black pepper for anti-inflammatory effects. Quinoa is versatile. Enjoy it in warm grain bowls, savory breakfasts, or stir fries. Top with mushrooms, greens, or